We want all voting to stop. We don't want them to find any ballots at 4 o'clock in the morning and add them to the list.
There's absolutely no evidence,
no credible example
of any widespread voter fraud.
President-elect Biden's more than 81 million votes, which is a record for any candidate.
President-elect Joe Biden already has earned more votes than any presidential candidate in American history.
You're going to be the next president of the United States.
I know that everyone here will soon be marching over to the Capitol building to peacefully and patriotically make your voices heard.
They shot her in the neck.
She died for a second Trump term, even though that would have solved exactly none of her problems.
You have to go home now. We have to have peace. We have to have law and order. We have to respect our great people in law and order.
Does Twitter censor the content of its users?
Absolutely not.
And Trump banned from Twitter.
Google and Apple booted Parler from their app stores.
Facebook,
YouTube,
Pinterest, Shopify, and PayPal.
Due to the risk of further incitement of violence.
We have to have peace. We have to have law and order.
The House has impeached Donald Trump for the second time.
More Americans voted for President-elect Biden than any ticket in our nation's history.
The most votes of any presidential ticket ever.
We've won with the most votes ever cast on a presidential ticket in the history of the nation.
And it looks like a ghost town. Nobody out here.
Joe Biden already has earned more votes than any presidential candidate in American history.
The most votes ever.
Almost all Republicans, they're members of a cult, and we have to be deprogrammed.
We have to turn down the capability of these conservative influencers to reach these huge audiences.